Hi everyone, I'm Sona, your English language teacher, and welcome back to Sona's English podcast. For your confidence, this is my real voice. I'm not an AI. Every episode is recorded by me. Today's lesson is a shadowing practice based on a short story called A Stressful Moment. It will help you improve your accent, rhythm, vocabulary, and overall fluency. First, you'll listen, then you will shadow sentence by sentence. Let's begin. This morning started like any other day, but something felt a little different. I woke up later than usual and realized I only had 20 minutes to get ready. My heart started beating faster as I rushed to the bathroom. The water felt cold, the room felt cold, and even the air felt heavy. I kept checking the clock again and again, hoping time would slow down. It didn't. I quickly put on my clothes, grabbed my bag, and ran out of the apartment. But as soon as I stepped outside, I felt that moment of panic. I couldn't remember if I had locked the door. I stood there for a few seconds, torn between going back or moving forward. Finally, I decided to trust myself and keep going. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I woke up later than usual. I only had 20 minutes to get ready. My heart started beating faster. I rushed to the bathroom. I kept checking the clock again and again. Time didn't slow down. I grabbed my bag and ran out. I couldn't remember if I had locked the door. I stood there for a few seconds. I decided to trust myself and keep going. Now, listen to the rest of the story. When I reached the bus stop, I saw a long line of people waiting. That's when the real stress began. The bus was taking longer than usual. Everyone kept looking at their phones, sighing, or shaking their heads. I could feel the tension in the air. I kept imagining myself walking into work late, with everyone already at their desks. I imagined the awkward moment of saying, "I'm sorry, I'm late," while trying to smile confidently. I took a deep breath and reminded myself that I couldn't control the bus. All I could control was my reaction. So I stood there, focused on my breathing, and waited. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I reached the bus stop. There was a long line of people. The bus was taking longer than usual. I could feel the tension in the air. I imagined myself walking into work late. I said to myself, stay calm. I focused on my breathing and waited. Listen to the rest of the story. After several minutes, the bus finally arrived. Everyone stepped on quickly, and I found a seat near the window. As the bus moved, I looked outside and started to relax. Cars were passing by. People were walking to work or school. And then something unexpected happened. A little girl sitting with her mother smiled at me. Her smile was simple, warm, and pure. In that moment, all the pressure in my chest disappeared. I realized how small my problem actually was. I wasn't in danger. I wasn't alone. It was just a stressful morning, nothing more. Repeat after me. The bus finally arrived. I found a seat near the window. I started to relax. A little girl smiled at me. All the pressure disappeared. I realized my problem was small. It was just a stressful morning. Now, listen to the story. When I arrived at work, I wasn't late at all. I even had a few minutes to breathe before starting the day. That experience reminded me of something important. Stress is often a reaction, not a reality. We imagine the worst, but life usually turns out fine. Now, whenever I feel stressed, I take a deep breath, slow down, and remind myself, I can handle this. And the truth is, you can handle it too. Repeat after me. I wasn't late at all. Stress is often just a reaction. Life usually turns out fine. I take a deep breath and slow down. I can handle this. You can handle it too. Great job today! You practiced English shadowing with a clear, natural story and strong emotions. Remember, shadowing every day helps you sound more confident and fluent. Thank you for listening to Sona's English podcast. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.